Hello friends, welcome to iTechkey YouTube channel. My name is Varun Chauhan. I hope all are doing good. I am also doing well friends. Today I came with CWP panel part 3. There I'll cover CWP server settings, CWP web server. Before starting to continue, if you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get new video notification. Because if you subscribe our channel, so we motivate and ready to come with a new video. Friends, let's start to continue. Hello friends, welcome to CWP installation part 3. Please log in with username. Friends, you know dashboard and CWP setting we have covered in part 2. Today I'll tell you about server setting and web server setting. So click on server setting. There is cron tab for root. Friends, there we can configure cron tab job. There add common cron job. There is every minutes, every 5 minutes, twice an hours. There we can select cron job as per our requirement, and there is enter your command which you want to run with cron job, and then click on save change. There is next option add custom cron jobs. So there you can choose custom jobs. For example, every minutes, every other minutes, every 5 minutes. There you can choose manually minutes, hour, day, month, week, day, command, and there enter your command. Then click on save change. Next is add full custom cron job. There you can select your time and then save change. So this option for cron job. Next option cron tab for users. Click on cron tab for user. Friends, there we can configure cron job as per user. There we can choose user and there click on new cron and command description user account. There we can select username. We have only root user, so there I am showing you example on root, and there choose option once per minutes, once per 5 minutes. There you can choose timing, and there is so advanced option. There also same thing, but you can configure manually. After the configured your cron job, click on save. Friends, this is the use for user base cron job only. Then save, your cron job will be saved by user base. Next option is change root password. Click on change root password. There you can change root password of your CWP panel. There is new password and confirm new password, and you can click on change root password. Your password will be changed. Next, SSH key generator. Friends, there we can generate private key and add public key for authorized remote access. There is private key is used for accessing the server from remote computer. Public key is used to allow remote connection on the local server. So there we can generate SSH key and add public key. If you want to generate, so click on generate new keys, and if you want to add public key to authorized, so click on add public key. Next is change date and time. Click on date and time. There you can change date, and there you can set time. There you can choose time zone. After the change date and time zone, click on change date and time. Your date, time and time zone will be changed after the click. Next is change host name. Click on change host name. There you can change host name of your server. So there I have changed mail.go.iTechkey.com already. If you want to change after the installation, so you can also change there. I have already configured. You change your server name. And next is key size. This is the SSL encryption key size, there is already default option selected. If you want to choose uncheck or check, so you can, but I suggest you please use default setting, because this is the benefitable if you don't know about the services. So please use always default setting if you don't know about the services. Click on change host name, so your host name will be changed. Next option, disk quota. Click on disk quota. In disk quota you can assign custom storage. There is, for example, if you want quota on home folder, so there you can give storage path, for example 20 GB, 30 GB, and then you can save change. If you have need, so you can use a quota option. Friends, this quota option we can use in BPS services if we are giving to another company or another user assigning to BPS, so there we can use quota there. Next, yum manager. Click on yum manager. There, friends, we can update the server if patch will come in your CWP panel server, so there will show. Can click on update all. If you want to install any package, so you can enter the name of package and you can install. Next is reboot server. Click on reboot server. There is, if you want reboot server now, so click on reboot server now. If you want reboot after 1 hour and after the minutes, so you can choose, there is minutes. I have explained server setting. Next, web server setting option. There is select web servers. Friends, there we can choose web server. For example, we are using default setting in Apache only. So there, if you want to switch your web server on NGINX only, so you can switch on NGX only. Next option is light speed enterprises. There we can use only 30 days free. After the 30 days we need to purchase the license. Next is NGINX and Apache. Next, NGINX and Varnish. Next, NGINX, Varnish and Apache. Friends, we can use as per the our network requirement, but I suggest you use default setting if you don't have any need of NGINX, Varnish and Apache. There you can switch web server. After the select and click on save and rebuild configuration. But friends, I am using default services only there. Next is web server main config. Manage web server configuration. You can manage default configuration and web server here. Friends, there we can choose, for example, Apache default vhost template. We are using default only. If you have configured, so you can choose, but I am using default setting only. Apache default vhost template, there you can choose if you have configured there, but I am using default. Similar Apache default PHP FPM version, there I did not install this, so I am leaving this. And next, Apache default PHP dash FPM template, so there you can choose as per your requirement, but I am selecting only all methods. Next, PHP FPM service configuration, there also I choose the default setting. You can choose as per your requirement. Additional option, rebuild web host on save. If you want additional option configured in your Apache, so you can check this and save change, but I am using only default setting. If you have any requirement to change, so you can select. Next, web server domain conf. You can manage domain configuration for web server here. Select your username there. For example, domains, create configuration there. Select option PGICG, there you can subdomain configure. So there you can manage web server configuration. Next, web server template editor. Webserver we host template editor. File logged means that you can not edit that file as it include the update, and on each update it overwritten but you can create. Friends, there you logged file you cannot edit it. You can create a new file for nginx, varnish, http, php, fvm. uh, if you selected httpd, so there create files, and there is main file or b host template, there enter your content and then click on save. So there you can create a web server we host template editor there for quick switch there. You can see in list file when you will create the template, so there will show. If you selected a vhost template, so it will show in vhost, and if you select main, so will show in main http. Next is node.js.manager. Click on this. Friends, if you want to run node.js application, so you can install CWP Node.js engine and install now. There you can manage for Node.js application. Next, Apache status. There you can check Apache server status, live load, and many services running in background for Apache. So there you can check. Next, Apache rebuild. Apache Builder compiler. There you can switch the version of Apache. If you have latest version, so you can switch, but I suggest you always use latest version. If you want to downgrade the version, click on Apache version. If you want to downgrade the version, please select Apache version. I am selecting you 2.4.51 and then click on next. There is a few options are available. Choose as per your requirement. Start compiler in background. After the click on start compiler in background, your Apache version will be changed. So next option, Apache redirect. If you want to redirect manually URL, so there you can URL redirect with the port. There add path and add, so there will show your redirect path there. For example, this. Next option, SSL certificate. Friends, there auto SSL free you can use, and manual install from server, generate CSR, generate self sign certificate. So there you can all type of SSL certificate you can use. Next option is Tomcat manager. Friends, if you want to run Tomcat manager applications with CWP panel, so you can. There you need to choose. There you need to select Tomcat engine version and then install now. After the installation, you can access the Tomcat server manager and you can use Tomcat related application, and you can use with CWP panel. Friends, I hope you understand server setting and web server setting. I hope my video helpful for you. Please like and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to comment, share your feedback there. We will meet in next video. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you.